whether they marry an American citizen or not.
So to prepare, Attorney Golan, these DACA applicants for a possible approval or denial, what documents would you suggest they prepare once again for that second screening?
Well, at the present time, all I can say is that keep the documents you used the first time, which means keep documents proving your date of birth and place of birth, and keep the documents proving your longevity in the U.S., when you came and how long you stayed here, and then what you have been doing here, what kind of education you acquired, what kind of work you have been doing, what kind of family ties you have, and if you were employed, whether you paid income tax or not.
And what do you advise those people who did not take advantage of the DACA application?
Well, if they are eligible for Obama's DACA and they didn't take advantage of it, at the present time, all they can do is sit back and wait and see what kind of developments happen between now and February 8, or between now and March 5, or maybe between now and some other deadlines that will jump up soon.
I remember perfectly well in the past, Attorney Golan, that we've discussed a lot of immigration issues, and you even mentioned a long time ago that there might be an end to like the family petition categories. I think we had discussed that sometime, and I guess this is one of that particular bill that they are proposing to stop the chain migration. Please explain what is chain migration, because for the DACA applicants, if they are approved, they will have a path to citizenship, but only petition, I guess, their spouse and children, their very closest relatives, but not their parents. So tell us about the implication.
Well, chain migration is a nasty name that President Trump invented for what used to be called family unification. We have an immigration law. Our basic immigration law was passed by Congress in 1965, and the underlying principle of our immigration law was family unification, which means anybody who lived legally in the United States, either as a citizen, as an American citizen, or as a legal permanent resident, as a green card holder, could apply, could petition and bring to the United States certain family members. This was the principle of family unification. President Trump calls it chain migration, which means if you are an American citizen or you are a green card holder, and you can petition a relative, and this relative can then petition 2 more relatives, and those 2 more relatives can petition 8 more relatives, and the 8 more relatives can petition 24 other relatives, and this is chain migration. This may be reminiscent to a nuclear bomb, an atomic bomb. There is a chain reaction, okay? And this is what President calls family unification. He wants to stop the principle of family unification and replace it with immigration based on skills. The president wants to cut certain categories from family unification and permit only a very limited number of family petitions. Under President Trump's program, an American citizen or a legal immigrant may petition only a spouse or minor children. A spouse or minor children. Not parents, not adult unmarried children, not adult married children, and not brothers and sisters of any age. This is what President wants to cut out. President Trump wants to cut out a number of family categories and leave only 2 categories, spouses and minor children. This can be debated. if all those categories should be cut out, or maybe some of them, or maybe none of them. This is a debate which should be part of the debate about comprehensive immigration reform, not about DACA.
Mm-hmm. That's very true.
The problem of DACA should be solved separately in a clean DACA bill.
Mm-hmm.
Chain migration should be handled as part of the comprehensive immigration reform, together with a solution to the 10 or 12 million undocumented aliens in the United States.
I presume, Attorney Golan, that if they don't approve or they cut out the family reunification, or they call chain migration, the huge backlog will still be solved, correct? They will attend to those pending applications and they will not cut that out.
This is what they say, that people who already have an approved petition pending, there will be some kind of a special waiting list or special allocation to accommodate those people based on the idea that they already had some expectation to immigrate, and the government already has them in the system, and there will be some arrangement, I don't know about across how many years, to accommodate those people, but no new petition for those family categories.
You mentioned about petitioning for those people who have special skills. I remember we've always talked about that, Attorney Golan. Wasn't there a special visa for people with extraordinary ability and also with those skills and special skills all throughout these years?
There are categories for what today's immigration system is really divided into two groups. One group is family category.